everybody, welcome back to another edition of Retired Life Holy Style. Quick video today. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Holy Stone HS720 drone, which just arrived on my doorstep. So I'm going to unbox it, take a look at it, show you guys what everything you get. Not going to fly it today. I got a couple of things that I have to get done first before I can do that. But then when I do fly it for the first time, I will have some footage of that as well. The Holy Stone HS720 4K 26 minutes of flight drone. Now I'm new to this, so I do have a drone already that I fly. I haven't lost it yet. It's a real starter drone, so anytime it's the slightest bit of breeze outside, it blows away. It's very hard to control. So I figured it was time to upgrade and get a drone that's a little heavier duty. It's still not the top of the line. It's not like a Mavic or anything like that, but it got very good reviews on YouTube. So all right, so let's open it up, see what we get. Alright, this I had known already. It comes with a nice carrying case. People on YouTube that were doing reviews on it said how much they really liked the case, and it is really a nice case. It's kind of sturdy, it's compact, everything is in it. Let's open her up. And here you can see you have the packing cushion, and inside you have the drone, the control, probably the charger, and the battery that comes with the drone itself. Up top, I think they say you have a bunch of paperwork. Yeah, comes with a bunch of paperwork. All right, so take out the drone itself. Oh, there's the extra battery. I mean, the battery that comes with it. It's already inside of it. I'm just going to pull that out for a minute. So here you have the drone itself. It's kind of small. You can see my hands. It's about, when it's folded, it's really not much bigger than my hand. I can hold it in one hand. Now when you open it, it has little stickers on the side on which arms you're supposed to open first. So I guess you go back to front. I meant front to back, excuse me. And then back to front. Front to back, and back to front. And that's what the drone looks like when it's fully open. It's a camera on the front. It does have some sort of a stabilization. It's not a gimbal, but it does have some sort of a vibration thing where you can kind of, it'll stabilize the shots for you so you don't get that bouncing around too much. Landing lights on the bottom. I don't know what these are called, but they do something where these are the landing lights. This kind of shoots down to the ground and kind of gives it so it can hover, know where it is relative to the ground, some sort of a sensor. So that's pretty cool. It's not bad. It's got little rubber feet on the bottom, so when it lands, it's not landing on the body or the lights. It's kind of raised up a little bit. You have the control. And these antennas flip up. They're not really antennas, they're just there for looks. You have pops up to hold your cell phone. And then you have two handles on the bottom. Actually, it's so you can grip it, hold it, and use your controls. Now, when I do the first flight, I'm not going to go through all the buttons and everything like that because I'm still learning it myself. So I'm not going to go through all that. But it's just kind of trying to show you what it kind of looks like, what comes in it, and the case is really cool. And I would guess this is the charger. Well, these are extra propellers. So I guess if you damage your propellers, you have extra. And then you have a little screwdriver to put the propellers, take them on and off. And then you have the actual charger itself. Now you can charge two batteries at the same time. So when I'm done with this quick unboxing, I'm going to put them on the charger right away. Because again, everything I've researched, saw, and read, it takes 6 hours to charge up these batteries. So it's going to take a minute. So there will be no flying today. And it also has a USB-C plug. I guess you plug the USB-C into the charger and then the other end into any type of charging mechanism to charge your batteries. The other thing I did want to show is it does have a micro SD card slot, which is right here, which is pretty cool. I didn't get one yet, but I'll probably pick one up tomorrow. And all the other research I've seen is if you get this particular drone, don't get a large SD card. It can't handle the large SD cards. 32 is the max. I saw where people put in the 128 gig, the 256 gig, and it just would not work. I guess it's too large for it. But it goes in the slot, but I guess the components can't. I guess it's just not fast enough to process that large of a SD card. So I'm going to get myself a 32 gigabyte SD card, put it in there, and then see how she works. Okay? Alright. Well, that is pretty much it. It is pretty cool. I'm going to go through this paperwork, put everything back in the box, charge the batteries so everything doesn't get ruined. I'm going to have to do that too. Probably do that this evening sometime. So, okay. I think that's it. Thanks for watching. And I'll let you know how it flies, let you know how I like it as a brand new, well, I can say completely brand new. I have flown my other drone, but this one gets a little bit more distance and a lot more height. So we'll see how it goes. I'll let you know, and I will have footage of the first flight.
We running up, God lost my soul.
All right, don't forget, if you like the video, click that like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you want to see any more of our videos, and hit that little bell so that you get a notification when we do post another video. All right? Okay, so we'll see you when we see you, and now it's time for us to get to getting.